1 o'clock, there was fluctuation of current, and the lights, the fan started fluctuating, and within about 10 minutes the lights were off. So immediately I came out of my house, and then we saw that there was a big inferno just behind all this thing burning, and the fire was blazing right up through the roof, and by which time the fire brigade also reached. And then we came to know that the beat police had come at 1 o'clock, and they saw smoke billowing out, and immediately they went to the electricity department, lights were put off, and the fire brigade was called, which came very quickly, within 10-15 minutes, and then they started putting out. In fact, finally about three or four tenders came, and it took from 1 to 3:15, that's when the blaze was completely put off. As you can see, there are two sections. First section is where there are 3 shops. They were totally gutted, and the fire started spreading to the second section. And that's why we took the fire brigade took precautions to not to let the fire spread. If it had done so, it would have spread to the other shops right up to Santhemal on the other end, and the damage would have been much higher.